Welcome back to our channel How to Guide Everybody. It's me Richie Kevin, and in today's video I'm going to be teaching you guys how you guys can fix your Genshin Impact's 401 error. So if you're facing this error, then whenever you try to open your Genshin Impact or launch your game, it's just going to say 401 error. So there's multiple ways to fix this problem, so I'm going to be going through those step by step. But before that, if you guys are new to our channel How to Guide, then don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on. Now let's jump into the video now, shall we? First step is make sure you turn off your antivirus on your laptop, because sometimes due to that antivirus, things like Genshin Impact is a virus and tries to block it, so try to turn it off. You can search on YouTube on how you guys can turn off your antivirus software on your laptop, because in different laptop there's different types of antivirus software. You can search it. You can just search for how to stop antivirus on Windows. They'll teach you. If it even didn't work after doing that, then make sure to turn on that antivirus on again, because you need to turn that on in order to protect yourself from virus. All right, I only said that in order to try, because in some cases turning that off worked, but even after doing that it didn't work. Then make sure to delete your Genshin Impact and reinstall it again. And even after deleting and reinstalling your Genshin Impact didn't work, when you reinstall your Genshin Impact, make sure your Genshin Impact's folder is saved on the same folder where your Genshin Impact launcher is. So if you do not know, when you install Genshin Impact, first you need to install the Genshin Impact launcher. And when you're saving, or like when you're installing the Genshin Impact folder, make sure you install it on the same folder where your Genshin Impact launcher is. So let me show you how you guys can find that folder. So you can right click on Genshin Impact, click on open file location. So this is the location where my Genshin Impact launcher is stored, as you guys can see. So basically, if you want to see where your Genshin Impact is stored, you can click on this little setting icon, scroll a bit down, go on, find game files, and it's going to show you where your Genshin Impact data is stored. So as you guys can see, my Genshin Impact data is stored on the same file as my Genshin Impact is. So I don't have any problem. You also need to do that. Make sure when you're installing Genshin Impact, install it in the same folder where your Genshin Impact launcher is, and this problem should be fixed. So that's how we guys can fix your Genshin Impact 401 error. So if you guys found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye. And if you do not know how you guys can change your Genshin Impact folder from one location to another after downloading it, we have also made a video on that topic on our channel. You can watch that if you don't know how you guys can change folders after downloading Genshin Impact. All right, so stay safe. Bye bye.